the isDecimal method in Python. It's a string method that returns whether or not a string represents a decimal number. Rules: string must contain all decimal digits. String must contain at least one character. The empty string isDecimal is false because that doesn't have at least one character. T00t.isDecimal, that's false because it has letters in it. Beef.isDecimal is false because there's no way to specify that this is hexadecimal. And finally, 1776.isDecimal is true because that's a string that represents a decimal number. IsDigit returns true if every character in the string is a digit. For example, the empty string returns false, any space characters return false, regular characters return false, superscripts return true, subscripts return true, numbers return true with the caveat that a number with a decimal point in it, like 3.14, would return false. Like and subscribe to learn more.